Hello everyone, I'm Miss Chen. Today we are going to learn some basic writing strokes. Are you ready? Let's go! The first two strokes I'm going to teach you are the horizontal stroke and the vertical stroke. They are very common in Chinese characters. For example, the character 10, which means 10, and the character 土, which means soil. Both of them are consisted of the horizontal stroke and the vertical stroke. The next two strokes are the sweeping left stroke and the sweeping right stroke. For example, the character 人, which means people, and the character 8, which means 8, are consisted of these two strokes. The last stroke we will learn today is the dot. It's the first stroke in the character 文, right? The sweeping right stroke and the dot sometimes look similar, but they are different. The sweeping right stroke is much longer than the dot. When you write these two strokes, you should pay attention to this. These are the 5 basic strokes we will learn today. Good job, everybody! Here is a small test for you. Can you tell how many strokes the 3 characters are composed of? Have a try.